Hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to discuss about the benefits of cryptocurrency. But before starting, I must request, if you don't still subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the latest update. So let's start. The most important benefit of the cryptocurrency is the speed transaction. If you want to send the money in the United States, there are the few ways to move the money or assets from one account to another faster than you can with cryptocurrency. Most transactions at US financial institutions settle in 3 to 5 days. A wire transfer usually takes at least 24 hours. Stock trades settle in the 3 days. But one of the advantages of the cryptocurrency transaction is that they can be completed in a matter of minutes. Once the blockchain with your transaction in it is confirmed by the network, it's fully settled and the funds are available to use. The second one benefit of the cryptocurrency is a low transaction cost. The cost of the transacting in cryptocurrency is relatively low compared to other financial services. For example, it's not uncommon for a domestic wire transfer to cost the $25 or $30. Sending money internationally can be even more expensive. Cryptocurrency transactions are usually less expensive. However, you should note that demand on the blockchain can increase transaction cost. Even so, median transaction fees remain lower than wire transfer fees, even on the congested blockchains. The third one benefit of the cryptocurrency is accessibility. Anyone can use the cryptocurrency. All you need is a computer or a smartphone or an internet connection. The process of setting the cryptocurrency wallet is extremely fast compared to opening an account at a traditional financial institution. There is no ID verification, there is no background or credit check. The fourth one, the most important benefit of the cryptocurrency is the security. Unless someone gains access to the private key for your crypto wallet, they can't sign the transactions or access your funds. However, if you lost your private key, there is also no way to recover your funds. Hope you like this video. If you have any question relating to this topic, please ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.